Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. You need to begin by opening device's settings and scrolling down to access sounds and vibration. Then click on Vibrate at the top in the middle. And this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also click on Sound next to Vibrate and click on this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. After that, scroll down, click on Call Vibration. Adjust intensity of call vibrations by swiping left or right on this slider. Disable them completely by hitting silent, or apply one of those vibration patterns, like heartbeat. Wherever you decided, when you finished, go back. Click on Notification Vibration and do exactly the same, but for your notifications. Then click on System Vibration. Adjust intensity of them thanks to this slider at the top. And tap on those switchers next to all of those features under Vibration Feedback to disable or enable vibrations for them. When you're done, go back, click on Vibration Intensity and manage all of those sliders to adjust intensity of haptics for calls, notifications, system and media. Then click on this switcher next to Vibration Sound for incoming calls to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!